Hi, my name's Laura McKendry and I'm an educator and illustrator. My work can be found on book covers, homeware, fabric and greeting cards, including clients such as Waterstones, John Lewis, Laura Ashley, Woodmanstone and Profile Books. My work focuses on the natural world, everything that makes it fascinating, beautiful and delicious. Fruit, birds, plants, the sea, wild animals, changing seasons. There are so many places to find inspiration. I love to explore different ways of making marks and playing with materials to reconnect with the fundamental ability to create interesting and imperfect images. I often stand to draw and paint on the floor, which injects an energy and playfulness to my drawings. I work mostly with watercolour, ink, charcoal and coloured pencil, painting with unusual materials, drawing with sticks or even my hands. But I like to experiment with whatever I find lying around. In this Domestika course, I will show you how to move away from the pressures that can stifle creativity and how to encourage playfulness in our drawing. First, we will explore the materials, discovering how to work with ink, watercolour and coloured pencil and mixed media. Then we will start to gather inspiration from nature, taking references from photos, moving videos, drawing outside on location and from real life. And finally, we will use the techniques that we've learned to create a series of images based on the natural world. For your final project, you'll explore ways to depict animals and their natural habitats, creating 3 collections of illustrations inspired by aspects of nature. At the end of this course, you will have learnt the drawing skills to capture the natural world with a playful and relaxed approach to image making, using different combinations of unpredictable materials and unusual tools. Whilst I work mostly with watercolour, ink and coloured pencil, we will also experiment with found materials and different techniques. Experiment with colour and texture, explore nature and its surroundings, discover new ways to unlock your creativity.